Think about earning money that keeps coming into your bank account, no matter if you're working, sleeping, or even on a vacation in the Bahamas. Welcome to the fun world of dividend stocks. These treasures in the world of investing can be a big part of a mix of different investments. They give a constant flow of money and can help you in rough money times. They're not just about making more money, but also about being steady and strong. In 2024, these 3 strong dividend stocks could help you live your dream. Hi viewers, if you like what you're watching and you don't want to miss future videos with more fun tips and ideas, press that subscribe button now to stay connected with us, and don't forget to comment and share. First up is a stock that has been a consistent performer over the years. Let's talk about Johnson & Johnson, a multinational corporation involved in the manufacturing of medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and consumer packaged goods. Johnson & Johnson operates under a diversified business model, with a robust portfolio that covers a wide range of health sectors. This business model not only provides multiple streams of income, but also acts as a safety net against sector-specific downturns. So, no matter what's going on in the world, there's a good chance that Johnson & Johnson's products are still in demand. When it comes to financial health, Johnson & Johnson stands out with a strong balance sheet. The company has a low debt-to-equity ratio and a high current ratio, indicating that it has more than enough assets to cover its liabilities. This financial stability allows the company to invest in research and development, ensuring its future growth. Now, let's turn our attention to the dividend yield. Johnson & Johnson currently offers a dividend yield of around 2.7%. While this may not seem high compared to other stocks, it's important to remember that Johnson & Johnson has a long history of steady dividend payments. The company is part of the elite group of dividend kings, having increased its dividend payout for over 50 consecutive years. This track record of consistent dividend payments is a testament to Johnson & Johnson's commitment to returning value to shareholders. It also provides a predictable income stream for dividend investors, making it an attractive option for those seeking stability in their portfolio. In conclusion, Johnson & Johnson is a dividend stock that combines the best of both worlds. Its diversified business model and strong financial health provide a solid foundation, while its consistent dividend payments offer an attractive income stream. This stock represents a blend of stability and attractive income potential. Our second pick is a player in an industry that's gaining momentum. Now, let's delve into the world of consumer goods. Nestled in this sector is a company that has consistently proven its worth, Procter & Gamble. Known globally for its wide range of products, from household essentials to beauty products, this multinational giant has a strong foothold in markets across the globe. Since its inception, Procter & Gamble has been a beacon of reliability. It has a long-standing history of paying dividends to its shareholders, a tradition it has maintained for over a century and a quarter. Talk about consistency. This company has not only paid but also increased its dividends for 63 consecutive years. It's this level of stability that makes Procter & Gamble a compelling choice for dividend investors. But what sets Procter & Gamble apart, you might ask? Its competitive advantage lies in its strong brand portfolio. With over 65 brands under its umbrella, many of which are leaders in their respective segments, the company has a broad consumer base. This diversified portfolio helps shield it from market fluctuations, providing a steady stream of revenue. Looking ahead to 2024, the company is expected to continue its growth trajectory. With a focus on innovation and market expansion, Procter & Gamble is poised to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Moreover, its commitment to sustainable practices is likely to enhance its appeal to a new generation of conscious consumers. The company's dividend yield currently stands at around 3%. While this might not seem exceptionally high, it's the consistency and growth potential that make it attractive. As the saying goes, slow and steady wins the race. In an environment where uncertainty is the norm, Procter & Gamble presents a semblance of stability. Its resilient business model, combined with its commitment to shareholder returns, makes it a worthy contender for your investment consideration. With its strong industry position and robust dividend payout, this stock could be a great addition to your portfolio. Last but not least, our third pick is a bit of a wild card. Let's delve into the intriguing world of this remarkable dividend stock that just might shake things up in 2024. Known for its unpredictability, this stock has the potential to be a game changer. This company operates in an industry that is ripe for disruption. While it may not have the same blue chip status as our previous two picks, what it does have is a unique position in a rapidly evolving market. This positioning, combined with a robust business model, sets the stage for significant growth opportunities. What makes it a wildcard? It's the company's ability to adapt and innovate in an ever-changing environment. This dynamism can lead to substantial returns, albeit with a slightly higher level of risk. But as seasoned investors know, with greater risk often comes greater reward. Now, let's talk dividends. This company has a history of rewarding its shareholders with regular dividends. Over the past 5 years, it has consistently increased its dividend payout, demonstrating its commitment to returning capital to shareholders. But here's where it gets interesting. The company's recent strategic investments signal a potentially lucrative future. These investments, coupled with its innovative approach, could drive substantial growth in the coming years. This growth could, in turn, lead to an increase in dividend payouts, making it an attractive proposition for income-focused investors. However, as with any investment, it's crucial to do your homework. This wildcard stock may not be the right fit for everyone. But for those willing to take on a bit more risk, it could offer an attractive combination of growth and income potential. So there you have it, our third and final dividend stock pick for 2024. It's a bit of a gamble, sure, but with its potential for growth and a solid history of dividend payouts, it's a gamble that could pay off handsomely. This wild card could just be the dark horse that brings an unexpected boost to your dividend income. Let's see how it plays out in the coming year. To recap, the 3 dividend stocks we've looked at today offer a mix of stability, growth potential, and generous dividend payouts. First, we delved into the world of Dividend Stock 1. With its robust foundation and steady performance, this stock offers the stability that investors crave. It's the equivalent of a seasoned marathon runner, keeping a steady pace while others may falter. It's this kind of resilience that makes it a solid choice for income-focused investors. Next, we turned our attention to Dividend Stock 2. This stock is the embodiment of growth potential. It's the rising star, the one that might just surprise you with its tenacity and upward trajectory. It's a bit like investing in a promising startup with the added bonus of dividend payouts. This stock could be a game changer for those looking to balance their portfolio with a touch of high growth prospects. Lastly, we explored Dividend Stock 3. This one is all about the dividends. A generous giver, it's like the grandparent who always slips you a little something extra when you visit. This stock offers regular and ample payouts that can provide a steady income stream, making it a favorite among dividend investors. But remember, the key to a healthy portfolio is diversification. It's about having a mix of different types of stocks to balance out the risks and rewards. These 3 stocks offer a good start, but they're not the be-all and end-all. It's important to do your own research, understand your financial goals, and invest accordingly. Investing in dividend stocks is not about quick wins. It's about playing the long game. It's about patience, consistency, and the pursuit of sustainable growth. So, keep your eyes on the horizon, stay informed, and make decisions that align with your long-term financial vision. Remember, investing in dividend stocks is about playing the long game for consistent returns. That wraps up our deep dive into 3 solid dividend stocks for 2024. We've journeyed through the intricacies of each stock, their potential benefits, and how they can contribute to your financial growth. It's an exciting time in the world of finance, and these insights are just the tip of the iceberg. Now, if you found this information useful, we'd love it if you could show your support. How, you ask? Well, it's quite simple. Just hit that like button. It's a small gesture, but it goes a long way in helping us continue to bring you insightful content. Sharing is another great way to support us. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, why not pass it along? It's a win-win situation. They get valuable insights, and you get to be the friend who always has the best investment tips. But don't stop there. To stay on top of the latest investment strategies and stock market trends, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We're constantly working on new content, and subscribing ensures you won't miss out on any future videos. Remember, investing is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, why not join us? Stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing and growing your wealth. And remember, your financial future is in your hands.